Discover the most beautiful places in Italy, from ancient cities to stunning coastlines. Let's explore the top 10 destinations to visit in 2025. Welcome to Rome, the eternal city where every corner tells a story that stretches back thousands of years from the mighty Colosseum where gladiators once fought to the Roman Forum, where emperors ruled history, lives in every stone walk through the cobbled streets, and you'll discover hidden fountains, charming cafes, and stunning churches like the Pantheon, a masterpiece of ancient architecture. Rome is not just about the past. It's a city full of life today with delicious Italian food, lively markets and vibrant streets. No visit is complete without seeing the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, and home to St. Peter's Basilica, and the breathtaking Sistine Chapel ceiling painted by Michelangelo. Whether you love art, history, or just beautiful places, Rome is a timeless treasure that every traveler should experience. Venice is a floating dream, a city built on water that defies logic and enchants the soul as you step into its narrow alleyways and glide along the canals on a gondola. Time seems to slow down. The gentle lapping of water against ancient stone buildings creates a rhythm unlike anywhere else in the world. St. Mark's Square, with its grand basilica and bustling pigeons, is a must-see, but the true magic lies in getting lost, wandering into hidden courtyards, stumbling upon artisan workshops, or catching a quiet sunrise over the Grand Canal. The bridges, like the iconic Rialto, connect not only the city's islands, but its stories, layered with centuries of art, trade, and romance. At night, Venice glows in soft amber light, reflecting in the still waters, offering a kind of peace that can't be found elsewhere. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every reflection feels like a memory from a dream. Venice isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. A quiet moment on a gondola, the echo of footsteps on cobblestones, or the scent of fresh espresso by a sleepy canal. Milan is Italy's beating heart of fashion, design, and modern elegance. It's a city where old meets new effortlessly, from the awe-inspiring Gothic beauty of the Duomo di Milano with its intricate spires and rooftop views, to the sleek lines of high-end boutiques and cutting-edge architecture. Strolling through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuelite feels like walking through a palace of luxury, lined with the world's top brands under a stunning glass dome. Yet Milan is more than just style. It's history, culture, and innovation combined. The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci still lives here, quietly powerful and timeless. In the lively Never Die district, canals come to life at night with cafes, music, and laughter. Milan has a fast rhythm, but if you pause, you'll see it's so ambitious, artistic, and undeniably Italian. Lake Como is a quiet escape in northern Italy, surrounded by mountains and charming villages. The water is calm and reflects the beauty around it. Boats move slowly across the lake, and every view looks like a painting. It's a peaceful place where time feels slower and nature feels close. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most stunning coastal areas in the world, where cliffs drop into the sparkling Mediterranean and colorful villages cling to the hillsides. As you drive along the winding roads, each turn reveals a new breathtaking view. Positano, with its pastel buildings and narrow steps, feels like a postcard brought to life. The sea breeze, the scent of lemons, and the warmth of the sun create a feeling of pure bliss. Whether you're sipping espresso by the water or exploring ancient streets, the Amalfi Coast leaves a lasting impression. And that brings us to the end of our journey through Italy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which place you'd love to visit most. See you in the next adventure.